The Mercedes-Benz W245, produced from 2005 to 2011 and known as the B-Class, features a windshield washer system that's essential for maintaining clear visibility while driving. This system includes a reservoir, pump, and nozzles that spray washer fluid onto the windshield. This video will guide you through locating and topping up the washer fluid reservoir in your W245 model. Regular maintenance of this system helps ensure optimal performance and driving safety. The windshield washer system in the Mercedes-Benz W245 consists of several key components that work together to keep your windshield clean. First, the reservoir is a plastic tank that holds approximately 4 to 5 liters of washer fluid. It's located in the engine compartment and features a blue cap for easy identification. Next, the electric pump is attached to the reservoir and provides the pressure needed to spray the fluid. It's activated when you use the washer function. The nozzles and hoses direct the pressurized fluid from the pump to spray evenly across the windshield, ensuring clear visibility. Finally, the system is controlled by a stalk on the steering column, which you pull or push to activate the washer spray. Important safety note: the reservoir is pressurized, so always handle it with care and never open it when the engine is hot. The washer fluid reservoir is located in the engine compartment. It's on the passenger side, which is the right side of the vehicle. Look for the reservoir near the firewall or radiator support. It's a translucent plastic tank that allows you to see the fluid level. The reservoir has a blue cap that's marked with a windshield symbol, indicating it's for washer fluid. The washer fluid reservoir may be integrated with other fluid reservoirs in the engine compartment. Park the vehicle on a level surface with the engine turned off and keys removed for safety. Pull the hood release lever inside the vehicle, then lift the hood and secure it with the prop rod. Locate the washer fluid reservoir on the passenger side of the engine compartment. It's a translucent plastic tank marked with a windshield symbol. Wipe the cap and tank clean to remove dirt and prevent contamination. Unscrew the reservoir cap carefully. Use a rag if it's hot to avoid burns. Slowly pour the recommended washer fluid into the reservoir until it reaches the max mark. Avoid overfilling to prevent leaks. Securely close the hood and ensure it's properly latched. Start the engine and activate the washer system to ensure even spray from all nozzles. Mercedes-Benz recommends using windshield washer concentrate diluted with water at a 1:10 ratio for optimal performance. While Mercedes recommends their genuine MB fluids, compatible generic products are usually sufficient for most needs. In cold climates, include antifreeze additives to protect against freezing below -20 degrees Celsius. Eco-friendly options with plant-based solvents are becoming more common and help reduce environmental impact. Check fluid levels every 3 to 6 months or before long drives to ensure visibility and prevent pump damage. Avoid overfilling the reservoir to prevent leaks and system damage. Never open the reservoir when the engine is hot to avoid burns from hot fluid or steam. If nozzles become clogged, clean them carefully with a pin to restore proper spray. Dispose of old washer fluid responsibly through recycling programs to protect the environment. Troubleshooting common issues with the washer fluid system can prevent costly repairs. Let's examine the main problems and solutions. Low fluid levels can damage the pump. The electric pump relies on fluid for cooling and lubrication. When fluid runs low, the pump overheats and may fail prematurely. Counterfeit washer fluids contain harmful chemicals that corrode the plastic reservoir. This can cause cracks and leaks, requiring expensive replacement of the reservoir. For enhanced performance, consider aftermarket kits that increase reservoir capacity or add heating elements for cold climates. Vehicles over 10 years old should have the washer system inspected annually to catch issues early. Looking ahead, sustainability is becoming increasingly important in washer fluid systems. Expect a shift towards plant-based solvents such as ethanol and glycerin, which are more environmentally friendly than traditional petroleum-based options. Another trend is the rise of predictive maintenance using artificial intelligence. AI systems may soon automate the checking of fluid levels, alerting drivers before issues arise and reducing maintenance surprises. Finally, electric vehicles are beginning to phase out traditional washer fluid systems altogether. However, internal combustion engine vehicles like the W245 will continue relying on these systems for years to come, ensuring their continued relevance in automotive maintenance.